Spring 2025, startup of the garage exhaust fan. We'll just make sure it works, and we gotta go on the outside and take the cover off.
Works. It works.
Okay. It's gonna be a glare freak show.
I'm okay over here.
Okay.
As long as we don't get any wind gusts.
So the fan itself is great, but the shutter is a piece of garbage. It leaks a terrific amount of air, so we have to board this up for the winter time. Looks like we might have had a carpenter bee in the area.
Oh, look at that, yeah.
Not good. You just watch out for that bush there.
Got it.
Okay, and there should be some foam under here. And that's it. The fan is opened.
I wish summer would open.
Yeah, me too. Probably should clean this out a little bit. There's some of the cobwebs in here.
Will the fan just blow it out?
That would be nice.
It's a great setup.
This is a surprisingly good fan for something that's newer.
Parents' first home, they had a attic fan. Had an attic fan. And just that sound of those louvers. It was just great.
Yeah, my grandparents had a whole house fan in the attic. They also had a Dayton, I think it's an 18-inch fan in the spa room. And that's what I wanted to put here, but I couldn't find one at the time. But I have Dayton blades now, which are actually right here. So eventually, and I've tried to solicit Kevin to do this with me like 15 times, but eventually I want this on there. Because that's what I remember at my grandparents' house.
That'll look and sound nice.
And this should be a lot quieter.
Are those the ones from up in the attic?
These are. I have a whole bunch of different sizes here that we can try. Okay, it looks good from the inside. And here it is from the outside. Very powerful.
It is very powerful.
Lots of cold air coming out of the garage.
Yeah. It's such a irony. It's, in the summertime, like you want that cold air in there, and now we're exhausting it out.
Yeah, it's definitely backwards.
It's too bad it's not reversible. It can pull in the warmer air from outside.
It would be convenient. Actually, it'd be very practical on the inside too to get the air moving better. I never thought of that. I have to find a reversible fan motor now.
Yeah.
This is still under production. It's an iLiving branded product, and it's a ball bearing motor, fairly inexpensive. It was quite a pleasant surprise. This is going on year 3 now, no issues.
So I have a opening in my garage, like into the eaves, right? And then everything's vented out up there. And I've been thinking of installing like basically a fan like this up into the ceiling just to exhaust out, because it gets so hot in there in the summer.
Yeah, that's definitely worth doing. This gets a lot of use, and it just plain works.